Welcome back, I'm Darren McDermott and you're watching Dukascopy TV for a special look at the restaurant and travel sector. I'm joined today by Yves Zieba. Welcome today.
Thank you.
So beginning with looking at the acquisition of La Fourchette. Now this is a mobile and online reservation service. Now, it was actually acquired recently by TripAdvisor. Pretty huge acquisition. So Yves, what do you think about this? And so far it's actually only in Switzerland, Spain and France. So do you think it's actually going to take off and be all across Europe?
Well, I think it's the intention. TripAdvisor provide the scale and the scalability for La Fourchette. And La Fourchette has been an amazing success story in France and in some neighboring countries. I think this acquisition enables the business of La Fourchette to expand. So they provide a lot of very relevant information around the activities you can do while you're traveling, and that's of course of high interest for a market-leading platform like TripAdvisor.
And Yves, less than a week after Golden Gate announces acquisition of Red Lobster for about 2.1 billion, we also saw another acquisition from another company of TGI Fridays. So this is about 800 million we're speaking about here. So, what are your views on these recent acquisitions?
Well, this is a clear sign that private equity are back in the game. So they are monitoring the market and they are seeing that some stocks are undervalued. So in the case of Golden Gate Capital, this is clearly a typical acquisition and something they've done in the past. They go after undervalued stock. In the case of TGI Friday, I think it's a slightly different case. It's been acquired by two different private equity groups, and they have a track record of running franchise restaurants. So I would imagine that they are going to apply their method to expand the TGI Friday as a franchise.
And also hitting headlines in terms of potential acquisitions, Warren Buffett. Many people are actually saying Warren Buffett could acquire Kellogg's, and traders have been going a little bit crazy and very bullish about this. But there have also been articles saying why he might not, comparing grains and cereals to that of the airline industry. Now, what do you think? Do you think he actually will, or would you say he would have certain concerns?
Well, I think he's one of the rare investors who can afford a $24 billion market capitalization like Kellogg has. So it's a great quality food company. Like companies in the agri-food business at the moment, they expect to recover from a long period of crisis. So they expect their sales to increase, but also some of their costs to increase. So I don't think Warren Buffett will acquire Kellogg. He said publicly it's probably too expensive at this stage. Maybe a negotiation, but I think at the moment it's still a rumor and it's probably gonna materialize.
Yves, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching Dukascopy TV. Now do not go anywhere, as we have plenty more just like this heading your way. Goodbye for now.